do what you love, you'll never work a day in your life is something most people strive for. For one Orlando BMX bike rider, he lives every day just by that. In tonight's centerpiece, our Brandon Green explains how he's still living out his dream.
Well, it's either do this or go get a job. So all of a sudden this is real motivating.
For the past 41 years, Rob Nolli has spent his days on a bike.
Well, growing up, it was most of the day, every day, at least 4 hours a day, sometimes 6. You know, it'd be the first thing you do when you get up in the morning, and sometimes just ride till dawn, or maybe right after school, you know, get out there and just have fun and ride your bike.
But once Rob found out he could fly, the 53-year-old never wanted to touch the ground again.
I don't know anybody in their 50s that is still doing this professionally. I mean, there's guys that do flatland, which is the tricks on the ground. I don't know of anybody else still doing backflips, performing in their 50s.
He has been a professional BMX trickster for over 3 decades, and Rob does showcases all across the U.S. And in his younger years, he was even competing against the best head-to-head.
I've competed at the X Games 6 different years. Favorite one was the first contest that I ever won. Well, this is a bronze medal from the '96 X Games, which is actually the very first X Games where they had BMX Park.
This is Rob's trophy and movie room, and all of his accomplishments live on the wall.
Probably my favorite picture. We performed halftime shows for every NBA team, and that was for the Bulls.
Every helmet, bike frame, or even medal tells Rob's story, and it always comes back to the beginning.
So this is from 1988. I was that little kid that took a marker and a piece of paper and went around and got all the pros' autographs, right, in 1988. And then 5 years later, I was competing with these guys and touring with them.
Rob Nolli's love for BMX started as a hobby, and it has grown into something he can't live without.
Brandon Green joins us now on Spectrum Sports 360. So Brandon, some great news for Rob in the last few months. He just added some more hardware to his already filled trophy case.
Yeah, Rob was inducted into the Florida BMX Hall of Fame in September. And this is an honor that he didn't strive for. He was just doing what he loved and helping the next generation explore BMX. And you could tell from the story, Rob's dedication to this sport is unmatched. And for Rob, at 53 years old, he's just trying to be better than he was the day before. And that's what drives him. He's not chasing anybody else because he is completely self-taught. He didn't go to a coach or to any classes to get good at the tricks that he does. He got it through sweat and tears, and that's what makes Rob a Hall of Famer.
Brandon, great stuff. Awesome story. Thanks for sharing.